When we started our channel, our intention was always to bring you a very different type of tech review, and that was one where we use the devices day in, day out in real life situations. I'm going to call 911.
There is no limit to devices or companies, so when Apple revealed the fall detection feature, we thought this is a game changer, so did many other people, especially healthcare workers.
I think fall detection is one of the very best features. I worked in a doctor's practice and saw the results of an older person falling and laying on the floor for a long time.
According to the World Health Organization, falls are the second leading cause of accidental or unintentional injury death worldwide. Each year, an estimated 646 individuals die from falls globally. So look, and this is the reason why we got so super excited when Samsung released their version of the fall detection feature, and they simply call it trip detection for the Galaxy Watch number 3, and of course we had to test it.
I'm living the dream, yeah, killer. You know that I'm in it. They call me a catch cause I go up and get it. OBJ swag, get me a bag. Haters collapse, now you know all the stats. I'm top of the class, won't lock me up.
Then come on.
Living the dream, yeah, killer. You know that I'm in it. They call me a catch cause I go up and get it. OBJ swag, get me a bag. Haters collapse, now you know all the stats. I'm top of the class, won't lock me up. Can't knock me off, they mobbing me. They wanna bees, I get the cash monopoly. Cause when I sing, they give me the keys.
As tech reviewers, we want to be as unbiased and as fair as possible to companies out there. And maybe we just didn't do it right. We didn't fall hard enough. We didn't fall in the right way. Or we didn't lay long enough afterwards.
And therefore we are revisiting the fall detection feature with the Galaxy Watch 3, and we're getting the Apple Watch Series 5 into the mix to see how both will respond.
When you look at Apple's website, or maybe you watch the keynote where they introduced the fall detection for the Series 4 at the time, they kind of say they have 3 common types of fall they support. Number 1 is trip, number 2 is slip, and number 3 is kind of straight down where you pull out your arms, and then that's pretty much it. And this feature is basically disabled if you are under 65, and you have to enable that manually. And yes, before you asked, we did enable it manually. When we then went on the Samsung website, we wanted to see what Samsung has in store for the fall detection for the Galaxy Watch 3. And the only thing we could find was on the product page itself. There was obviously a pretty picture on how it would look like when it goes off, but also a small print on the bottom which says trip detection recognizes falls when engaged in dynamic motion, not when still. But I wanted to go further. I went into the support section to see if there's anything we can see or download. Maybe we have to have different settings to make it work, right? But there was nothing. There wasn't even a PDF document for the manual itself for the Galaxy Watch 3. So we did an extensive Google search, and the only thing that came up is pretty much our videos.
I love the Bay and has a place where we could stay, okay. I want to. I just can't find the time to break away. Says she's gonna take me there someday. I say we could get out of Manhattan in a New York minute. There's a yellow cab, yeah, we should get it.
Here we go, guys. The fall detection for the Galaxy Watch 3 came on, and from here on we will explain all the steps and how it worked and what we had to do. The Galaxy Watch 3 will alert you around about 30 seconds after the fall, and then it will ask you if you need help, right? You press the alert button and it will then simply call your emergency contact. And what happens if you don't press it? Well, it will simply call anyway, but it just takes a bit longer. And the Apple Watch next to it was our emergency contact, emergency destination, predefined before, and then it simply called the Apple Watch. We thought, what happens if we don't pick up, right? So the Galaxy Watch 3 then shared the exact location via SMS with the predefined contact, our Apple Watch right next to it. We really wanted to make sure you guys can see the full process. And this is what it looks like.
Dreaming about the Golden Gates and all the curbs on Lombard Street, she says.
Today, after 6 falls, the Galaxy Watch 3 detected 2 of them and made an SOS call on both occasions. The Apple Watch Series 5 fell asleep.
Tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything. Gonna be alright.
All in all, we did around 20 falls, and both of the watches detected a couple of falls. But what I found the most interesting was that both watches were triggered or activated by different falls. The Galaxy Watch 3, we needed a slam to the arm and lay there for a few minutes. But the Apple Watch, we needed a hands to fall and then stand up again, and that's when that was activated. So both watches detected, but differently. Thank you for all your comments on the hand gestures. We have done some research to see how it should work, and of course some intensive testing. Nothing. Oh, I'm on. It worked the third time. It worked on third occasion both times. I must say though, I want Thanos. I want the Infinity Gauntlet. Okay, I'm going to mute you now. Did it work? Shut up.
It only works when I try to call you and then you try to get rid of me.
Call me. There's no vibration or anything. So the mute function actually works. I'll answer him now. The mute function worked.
So far.
2 gestures. There is the raise to open that doesn't work every single time, but there is the mute that worked the first time.
But bear in mind, it is an experimental feature. It doesn't matter what everybody says.
Listen to him. Damn it.
Doesn't work, does it?
No, it doesn't. Damn it.
I'll hang up. I just push a button, it's faster.
So there you are, the hand gestures. There is a raise and open, and there is a mute. The raise to open doesn't work on every occasion.
I just can't find the time to break away. Said she's gonna take me there someday. I say we could get out of Manhattan in a New York minute. There's a yellow cab, yeah, we should get in it. We don't need a reason, let's get on.